Hey guys, Adrian here for Tech Social. Today we're taking a look at Snapseed. Snapseed is an image editor that was purchased by Google a while back, and Google recently just made it free for iOS and Android. So it's a really powerful image editor, again owned by Google. It's called Snapseed in the App Store for both platforms that you can check out. That is free now. So it is really awesome if you're a fan of Instagram, if you're a fan of just editing photos on your phone, on your mobile device, adding just that little bit of adjustment. This is an awesome tool for you. So once you launch Snapseed, it has this sample image here that it shows you. And if you click this, you can see the help. If you want help, you can read through all the stuff, show the overlay. You can see the image size here. It shows a lot of information relative to the image. Additionally, you can go in the top right and you can save your photo once you're done editing it to your photo library. You can export it to Google+, email it, Twitter it, open in a certain application, copy the image, and even print it. So tons of sharing options out there and exporting options. To change the image, obviously, you go in the tap the top left, and you'll be able to select the image source, whether you want to paste in an image, if you copied one in the browser or something, go through your photo library and or pick the camera. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and take a look at the sample image. So at the very bottom here, you have tons of editing tools. So you can do automatic, which just allows automatic image adjustion, so stuff like contrast, stuff like that. And if you click, you can go back if you want to go back. Top left shows you the interface, so you can compare. You can swipe down to enhance and or swipe left or right to adjust the selected enhancement. So for example, I can go up or down. I can do contrast correction or color correction, and I can just swipe left or right. Really simple, just sliding mechanisms, the touch gestures to edit your photos. So you can see if I want to up the contrast, I can just swipe right. If I want to lower the color correction, I can swipe to the left. So let's say I want to buff up the color correction to kind of give it that grungy tone to it. And I can compare it here. I can see here, this is the difference between, once I hold the compare button, it shows me what the original image looks like, and then when I let go, it shows the edited image. So that's really cool. So it has this little overlay. If I hold this, let go, it shows the difference there. I can go back now, and I can actually even change it. But if I want to, if I wanted to apply that, what I do is so let's say I go back and adjust the image here. I click on this arrow right here in the bottom right, and it applies that and processes it, and then I can do other adjustments. I can do selecting adjustment. I can do stuff like adding control points. What's really cool, it shows you the gestures you need to do to adjust any single filter or whatever you want to add in here. So that's really cool. Again, you can easily see that. I can do stuff like tune image. I can do straighten image. I can crop the image. So let's say I don't like where it, I just want to have just the tree here, so I can crop that. I can do a free crop. I can do a whole bunch of other crops here. So it's really cool, the type of freedom it gives you, and really powerful image editing tools, and a really simple user interface. You don't really need to be, photo savvy or anything like that. You can really easily do this. And then they have filters. I can apply filters like vintage. And what I can do here is I can lower the brightness and give it that cool looking effect here. And I'll go all the way down. I can do stuff like center focus, retro lux, all these other crazy effects here. And let's say I just want to center the focus, bring that center, and then adjust the blur strength really high there, so it only focuses on that thing in the middle there. And after all of that, you can see you have a really different image, and it's really just that simple to edit with Snapseed. It's as simple as clicking a filter, using a couple touch gestures, swiping left, swiping right, swiping up, whatever it may be, and you can do really powerful image editing, whether it's for Instagram, for personal saving, you want to use, you need to do some corrections on a photo. Really awesome application. Snapseed, available in the iOS App Store for free now. It's owned by Google, so check it out. Snapseed in the App Store. I'm Adrian from Tech Social.